Welcome to Lit Lampin with Genie, where the food is lit and your mouth just made water. Let's get it! So today I'll be basically showing you guys a fast, easy vegetarian Parmesan eggplant dish. Fast, easy to make. Sit back, relax, gather your notepad. Let's get cooking. We're going to begin our devouring process. Very soft. Got my sweet chili here. Nice little dip. So first and foremost, I just want to thank you all for watching. If you'd like to stay in tune with our videos, be sure to subscribe below to get updated every time we post a video. If you like this video, thumbs up.